Town construction, Project 2, has finally begun. Here at the waste area, where we're going to put in our construction field offices and our trailers for parts and tools, you see the big one of our large bulldozers clearing the dirt and piling it up. It's here that we are going to construct a temporary bridge over this creek so that we can get in our trailers to the site. Over you see a blue stake body truck. The men are unloading a silt fence. Silt fencing has to be put near all areas that could be hampered by the flow of dirt and water. So the silt fence, the brown area, is being unloaded and staked into the ground off the stake body truck. Here you see this project supervisor and foreman watching the dozer to see that the depth is right for movement of this dirt. You'll notice the heavy traffic on this road and the roads through the project. Heavy traffic is a real problem here, and why we have to construct a detour road along the way so that we can close down this middle road in order to complete our demolition and site work for the next project. You can see the cars buzz along here. And they really back up along this old wooden bridge, which, as we have said before, is going to be replaced by a 4-lane concrete and steel bridge. Here in the foreground, you see the owner, Ron Battis, in blue, talking to Chief Engineer Doug Marsh. They're admiring the fact that there's a lot of traffic here that has to be dealt with. They're also making one last final look at the stormwater project that we have to get involved with. The municipalities and state have required that we replace this old pipe with new stormwater, even though it's a temporary road, and we must filter it to the creek. So they're making one last check before the heavy equipment arrives to begin this part of the project. We have to get the temporary road done before we can complete and get into heavy demolition and heavy work. Ron and Doug have been waiting a while, but the convoy has finally gotten through the traffic. Here the security car with the oversized load signs is leading 2 lowboys, one with a heavy-duty Caterpillar 9 dozer. This is dozer number 3, which is being followed by another Caterpillar 320L excavator. The 2 of these will begin the stormwater project at the end of the road. They are entering the project through this road that really doesn't go anywhere. Both of these machines are flanked by security vehicles with their blue lights on. Since it is now daylight, it's hard to see the flashing lights. But we're about to get some real action on this. But we have to get some other things accomplished first, and that's the detour road. The detour road is going to be very narrow, and the municipalities have required us to put red blinking lights along the detour road and across the bridge, which the state has now said is really substandard. So we will put lights across here and light it up for safety reasons, because we must we must move all of the traffic off those roads that we saw before onto this detour road. This completes our review of Battistown Construction Project 2. We're now on the road. We are moving. Thanks for listening. This ends this video.